Half my life is on this app, and now they expect us to pay for it. That one-star review on the Google Play Store sums up the fury erupting across the internet as Snapchat introduces a controversial new policy, which is charging users to access their own memories. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. In a move dubbed as memory tax by furious fans, Snapchat's parent company Snap announced that users who've saved over 5 GB of photos and videos in the Memories feature will soon need to pay up to keep them stored in the app. For many, those memories are more than just old selfies. They're emotional time capsules from their teenage years, relationships, and even moments with loved ones who've passed. The backlash has been fierce. TikToks of users panicked downloading their archives have gone viral. An online petition calls to change the feature, and reviewers have slammed Snap for what feels like a bait and switch, giving users unlimited free storage for years, then pulling the rug out. Snap says the change affects only a small number of users and links it to Apple's and Google's paid storage models. But critics argue Snapchat actively encouraged users to archive their lives on the app, making this feel like an emotional ransom. One user wrote, "These aren't just called memories, these are our actual memories." Experts agree the issue runs deeper than data limits. Tech analyst Matt Navarra says memories are not just data dumps, they're emotional artifacts. And now, for many, those artifacts are being held behind a paywall. As one frustrated user put it, "Bye, Snap." So, are you gonna buy your memories or let them fade away? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.